welcome back to Misty's Pleasures of Life and Good Home Southern Cooking and Baking. Y'all, we are making my homemade Dilly Burgers today. If you like dill pickles and you like burgers, you're going to love this recipe. So stay tuned.
Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
All right, y'all. We are going to be using several different kinds of seasonings, plus my secret ingredient that I'm going to be sharing with you. Now, you want to make sure that you get all your ground beef crumbled up really, really well to get started. Okay, you guys, the main secret ingredient to this recipe is, you guessed it, dill pickle juice. Now, after I've used a jar of Clausen's dill pickles, I keep the jar of pickle juice for a month and let it get stronger and stronger. I even add some dill weed to it. So that's what we're using. Always reserve your dill pickle juice for this recipe, or also for a dill chicken recipe. Okay, y'all. So we added 1 tablespoon of dill weed. We then came in with 1 teaspoon of Heinz yellow mustard. You want to do 1 tablespoon of Heinz ketchup. Now you want to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And next we are going to do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of Kinder's Butcher's Burger Blend. Make sure you mix all of that well. Okay, y'all. So after adding those ingredients, the patties were not forming solidly enough. So we're going to add 1/2 cup of panko crumbs and then mix well. And then we're going to redo the patty. Once I did this, it worked out perfectly. All right, y'all. So you want to use 2 pieces of wax paper. You can get these at Walmart that are already cut into squares for your hamburger press. So you're going to lay one on the bottom. You don't need to really worry about spraying it with Pam because it's already made in a way to where it's not going to stick on your patty. So you take a good nice sized ball of your ground beef, put in the center of your patty press, and then put another piece of squared wax paper on top. Press it down, and then if you need to, go ahead and turn it over and do the